In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva account. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can start designing right away, even if you've never used Canva before. Go ahead and open your web browser, and in the address bar at the top, type in canva.com and press enter. This will take you to Canva's homepage. Once the Canva website loads, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button that says sign up. Click on that. When you do, a sign-up window or pop-up will appear in the center of the page. In this pop-up, Canva gives you several different options for how you want to create your account. You might see choices like signing up with a school or work email, Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Clever, or a regular email address. All of these methods will create a Canva account. They're just different ways of verifying your identity. Choose the option that feels most convenient and secure for you. For this walkthrough, let's use the Google option as an example. Click on Continue with Google. A new window will appear showing the Google accounts that are already logged in on your browser. If you see the Google account you want to use, simply click on it. If you don't see it listed, select the option that says something like Use Another Account. If you choose Use Another Account, you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Type that in carefully, then click Next. On the following screen, enter your Google password and click Next again. After that, the window will show you the permissions Canva is requesting from your Google account. Take a quick moment to look through this so you're comfortable with what you're allowing. When you're ready to move on, click Continue or the equivalent confirmation button. Give it a few seconds to load. Canva will now create your new account based on the information from your Google profile. When the page finishes loading, you'll be taken into Canva for the first time. You now have a Canva account. At this point, Canva may ask you a few onboarding questions, like what you'll be using it for or what type of user you are. These questions help Canva personalize your experience, but you can either answer them or skip them and adjust your preferences later. And that's it. You've successfully created your Canva account and you're ready to start designing.